Hey all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Jazz. She's come in for a infill today. So when I did her original set, she obviously had baby boomers. That's why it's coming through when I'm removing her gel polish. So what I did, she decided that she didn't want baby boomers anymore. So instead of just taking it all down, because I did do the full set from scratch, and I didn't apply a clear layer, which she's not bothered about. Oh, I nearly choked in my own breath then. I just start when she starts to get bored of baby boomers, I just infill with clear acrylic, and she has no problem with that. Neither do a lot of my clients, so it's okay. So here I'm just taking down the length. She usually has them quite long, but she's had it. I think she said she had a week off work, and because she's been cleaning, she felt like they were a little bit too long. So we're taking them down a little bit today. By the way, I have sped up quite a lot of this video. A lot of you have said that. I don't know. It's weird. 50% of you say that you like the real time. 50% of you say you like it a little bit sped up. So I'm going to do a couple in real time, couple in sped up. Win-win. Hope everyone's happy. So here I'm just filing the edges. I don't know why I do this. I didn't really have to do it, but it's just habit. And then I'm filing her now just to remove any surface shine. I did go around her cuticle bit with my cuticle bit. I did go around her cuticles with my cuticle bit just to remove any excess dead cuticles from her now. And then I'm going in with this, and then I spray her hands with sanitizer spray. I apply dehydrator and primer, and then we are ready for application. So now we've got a nice clean base to apply our acrylic to. So this is just a CJP's crystal glass, and I'm just applying that cuticle area and dragging down just to fill it in. Any places that need extra I will add to, but these didn't. By the way, that thing in the background is a dust collector. My partner literally just brought it for me off Amazon. You know, it's about 30 quid, the cheapest thing ever. To be fair, it does suck up dust, but it's in the most awkward position, so it's going back. It's got to go back. I just can't get used to it. I move it. You see me, I get rid of it when I'm polishing her nails. It's just too big, too bulky. So I'm on the hunt for something new because I am so sick and tired of the dust all over me. By the way, I have taken on board that you only like to see one hand being done, but because this was just a simple infill and it was such a short video, I thought I'd just leave it in. But when I do acrylic designs, I will just do one hand from now on, because again, that's another thing that you are not liking me and so on. So that's me just removing the sharpness from my files so I don't cut my client. So these are the new CJP files that I purchased. They came today. As soon as I open the bag of these files, they smelt like hospital. It's the only way to describe it. I suppose that's a good thing, they're hospital clean. But they're really good, really really gritty and really strong. So these are going to be my new faves, I'm sure. So here is where I perfect my shape. I always flip my client's hand around and look at it and do it from their view. It's just the only way I can get a good shape on them. Here I'm just whizzing over with my Efile. On the ring finger here, I'm just showing you how thick that was, because we've done build up of different designs on it. So I'm just showing you there how I debulk. So literally just go under with your Efile, and it gives it a nice little C curve, natural C curve as well. I wouldn't suggest doing that if your client has short nails, really, and I wouldn't suggest it if they have their natural nail all the way to the tip, because you don't want to be doing that. So then that's me making them nice and smooth with my buffer. This is a new buffer, it's kind of really gritty, so I was using the more softer side. Sorry, if I keep coughing, I've got a bit of a cold and a bit of a cough. It's a tickly cough that's really annoying. So yeah, once I've done that, I asked my client to go and wash her hands, and then we're dust free and we're ready for gel polish. So today I'm using one of Naio's old gels. It's in the old bottle and I don't think they do it anymore. It's called Sunscreen, and it's just a bright orange corally colour, because she thinks in the next couple of days that she is going Egypt. So she wants something bright. She's just going to book a last minute, so she wants something nice and bright. So when I do my first layer of gel polish, this may sound weird to you, but I call it my crumb coat. So you know when cake makers, that's so mental. You know when cake makers frost their cakes, what do they do first? They do a crumb coat, just in case there is any crumbs anywhere and it's not going to affect their frosting. Well, I feel like that's what I do on nails with my gel polish. I do my crumb coat first, just making sure that I'm covering everything pretty much thinly, not really caring about what it looks like. And then when I do my second coat, that's my final layer. So it's got to be nice and perfect and even. You'll all be calling your first layer of gel polish now crumb coats. But yeah, that's what I say. That's how I do it. Then on her ring finger she wanted some gradual glitter, so I'm just using Naio's glitter here. It's just light gold, I think it's called. It's just their ultra fine glitter. And just with my sponge, dipping into my glitter and then dabbing that into the sticky layer that the gel has left behind. And then apply a top coat to that and I'm done. Make sure if you're applying glitters this way, make sure that you have a top coat for a separate top coat for your glitters and one for your gel polishes. That's what I do, otherwise the glitter just gets everywhere. I do try and wipe it off on the towel, but it still gets everywhere. So that was me top coating her nails. I was using CJP's tack free top gloss. I'm sorry if I've been coughing a lot and sniffly, stuff like that. This cold is horrendous. And then I cure in my lamp for 60 seconds and that is the set complete. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was very basic, but if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you don't subscribe to my channel already, please do. And I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.